What did you imagine doing when you were a child? Listen to this story and learn how to use the verb imagine. When I was little, I wanted to be an astronaut when I grew up. I imagined going to space. And I imagined seeing the planets and stars. How do we use the verb imagine? We use imagine before a gerund. A gerund is the ing form of a verb that acts as a noun. I imagine traveling around the world. I imagined winning the race. We can't use imagine before an infinitive. An infinitive is to plus the base form of a verb. Now it's your turn. Tell us what you like to imagine doing in the comments. This is American English. Thank you for watching.